How to attach clothing to your avatar and make them proper toggles. First step I want you to do is download a Unity add-on called VRC Fury. Go to vrcfury.com and download VRC Fury. Link will be in the description. Just click on VRC Fury Installer. Save it to any folder you like. The clothing I'll be using for this tutorial will be the techwear pants for the Nardaregan made by Cheeky's Creations and the Nardaregan hoodie by Borges. This one's free. Links will be in the description down below. Drag and drop the VRC Fury Unity package into the project and import it. Now I'm going to drag the hoodie and import that, as well as the tech pants that we downloaded. Drag and drop that too. Let's do the hoodie first. Now in the bottom left underneath assets, you'll see hoodie. Make sure you select on the prefab. Now since this prefab already has a script with VRC Fury, you won't really have to do anything to set it up manually. So all you have to do is drag and drop it into the hierarchy. See, it appears perfectly on the avatar, and then drag it directly on the avatar. And that's it. However, the tech pants are different. So let's load this prefab and drag it into the hierarchy. And as you can see, it does not have a script. So I'll show you how to quickly set it up yourself. Like the hoodie, drag and drop it onto the avatar's hierarchy. Once you've done that, select Add Component, and just type in VRC Fury in the search bar, and you'll get all these options. So first what you want to do is apply during upload. Add action, object toggle, drag and drop it. Next, add component, then go to armature link, select that. As long as all of this info's down here, you shouldn't have a problem. Then last but not least, you add a toggle, VRC Fury toggle, click on that. Add action, object toggle, go to options and save between worlds, so it saves it when you switch worlds. Drag and drop the prefab into the game object here. Now for the path, name it whatever you want. You can do, just type in tech pants, and there will be an option to select tech pants, and then it'll enable it. Or if you want, you can have a subcategory, do clothing, click on that, and then have tech pants under that. So you'll have to click clothing and tech pants. Before I forget, you also want to download VRC Gesture Manager to actually test the clothing to see if it works. I'll link that as well. Before you go to test out your Abby, make sure that these boxes are checked off. To test the avatar, go to Tools and Gesture Manager Emulator. Press Enter Play Mode. Now that you're in play mode, go to Expressions. The hoodie will be in here, since it's already set up before we actually put it in. So this is the hoodie toggle. Hood up, hood down, and for our pants, we put it under clothing, remember, and then tech pants. So if we enable both of these, they should be properly attached to the avatar. And as you can see, they're moving along with the avatar. You've successfully attached them. Now exit play mode and upload your avatar. Or if it's already an avatar that you've uploaded, just update it. Build publish. Once it's uploaded, just head into VRChat, switch to your uploaded avatar, give it a second, and now you can see that all your toggles are here, and they all work. Clothing, tech pants. If you wanted to put a hat on your avatar, all you have to do is just drag your hat in here. This one's a little too big, so I'll just size this down using the resize tool. Size that down to a good amount, then select the move tool, and then just position it to where you want it to sit. And when you're satisfied with it, extend the armature, hips, spine, chest, neck, and then when you see head, stop. Drag and drop the hat onto the head. Once it's on the head, it's now attached to the head. And then just do the same thing that you did with the tech pants. You won't actually need the armature link. All you will really need is the applied during upload and your toggle, and that's it.